When I told people I would be building a computer for my new business, they were like,
What? What does that even mean?
well, let me show you. So the machine is now finished. I'm super excited to start working on it. I've already started some projects on it and it is screaming fast. I'm loving it. Again, huge thanks to my brother Chris for helping me out on this build. I couldn't have done it without you. I mean, putting all the different parts together and making sure everything works properly, it's just, thank you so much. Guys, stay tuned because Fireborn Media is on fire and we are already working on some really cool projects. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Make sure you check out all the links in our links page down in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button because we've got some really cool stuff coming up. We'll see you next time.